Dr. Muhammad Tahirul Qadri has authored 1000 books in Urdu, English, and Arabic languages. About 600 of these books have been printed and published. Some of these books have also been translated in many other languages of the world. In English, his top 5 books are here. Fatwa on Terrorism and Suicide Bombings. This may well be the most detailed anti-terror fatwa ever written, an exhaustive, systematic, theological and legal study of the Islamic tradition's teaching on the use of force and armed resistance. Fatwa on Terrorism and Suicide Bombing deals clearly and systematically with armed resistance against the state. Islam, the Religion of Peace or Terror. This is another one of the best books written by Dr. Tahirul Qadri in this subject. It is in question-answer form, declares the counter-narrative against terrorism. It's a short book of 30 to 40 pages. It will clear the misconceptions about Islam logically and rationally. A short but highly conceptual book, Quranic Concept of Human Guidance. Pages 32, in simple and easy English for those who are not native in English. The book is part of the Islamic teaching series compiled from the works and lectures of Shaykhul Islam, Dr. Muhammad Tahirul Qadri. Zakah and Charity book provides reader with both a general overview and, where needed, some in-depth information and guidance on basis of Islam. Muhammadan Blessings, collection of prophetic prayers and spiritual practices. In this compendium, Shaykhul Islam Dr. Muhammad Tahirul Qadri has compiled a unique collection of litanies and invocations consisting of a vast array of prophetic prayers and practices that are based upon Quranic verses and the Sunnah of the Holy Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him. Litanies are provided to solve all kinds of problems and difficulties. Virtues of Sayyida Fatima Raziallahu Ta'ala Anha, daughter of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. This is one of the best books written on the life of Hazrat Fatima. It is also a short book of 112 pages.